Hi, I'm Patricia. I make art installations and paintings using encaustic wax and as many natural pigments as possible. Originally, I'm from Belfast and I now live here in South Wales. So I wanted to make an art installation that focused in on local landmarks and history and language and also our heritage. I started with the Welsh blanket idea. So I decided to make 25 wood panels with the encaustic paintings. The process of creating encaustic wax to paint with is you get some beeswax, get some damar resin, and you melt the two together. It gets layered on very thinly, fused with heat, and then layered again. And in between those layers, if you want, you can add extra things. And what I wanted to do was add pigment made from the oak gall ink. Oak galls that I found in Abergavenny under the oak trees. So once I actually made all these designs, I decided to just arrange them in a pattern on the jute that was woven together. The idea was to kind of drape it on a piece of wood like a tapestry. With Celtic mythology, this entrance to the other world is represented by these 9 hazel trees in this circular formation. And I wanted to include some of those in this piece so there was no mistake, like this is about nature. The idea of bringing to attention these materials and the fact that we have these links with the past is exciting. And I think that when people learn about this stuff, they share the same excitement. It's just beautiful to see.